What's up, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's video, which is one about my watch list that I got over here. So I'm going to make a full breakdown analysis for those pairs over here. So we got some Forex pairs and two cryptocurrencies. Now in this video, what I want to share with you also is a little bit more of an insight about hedge funds, okay? Because we all know they are the market movers over here. They are controlling everything. They are building this massive uptrend, so like we can see right now in gold, this huge correction that we got right now, and so on. So this is simply what hedge funds are doing, and we all know about the cut data, so the commitment of traders. I would like to speak about it, how they're using it to grab even more liquidity in the market. So they are trapping us retail traders. They are trying to give us the illusion that the price is moving to the upside or to the downside, but in fact it is doing the opposite. And yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit about manipulation in this video also, and I'm going to refer there as for an example the GBPUSD, and I'm going to explain it for you step by step. Okay guys, before I'm going to start off, just a quick check over here on my TradingView channel. This is where I'm posting regular updates for the pairs that I like to trade, also crypto and so on. And yeah, if you're interested in taking my signals and taking the trades that I share for my community, then I have here the inner circle group. As you can see, this was the last week result with plus 12% on your trading account. This was actually not the best result, to be honest, because the previous week was plus of 40%, or another week we had 27% or 45 and so on. Okay, so as you can see, the last week was not the best, but still account growth, and this is good. And for all those who just would like to be investors, just to participate by not trading it by themselves, then I can recommend them CopyFX. Here everybody can connect with me, and yeah, you can then invest, and all my trades are going to be automatically copied to your trading account. As you can see, we're right now 18 investors, the profit share is 45%, and you need to do at least $500 is at least what you need to invest. So here the English language. Okay guys, then let's go straight into analysis. I'm going to start off with the DXY because, as you all know, if you're trading a dollar pair, you need to understand the overall direction of the DXY. And what we can see over here on the monthly time frame is that the market rejected pretty hard this monthly resistance. We got over here monthly area of supply, so the monthly candle close was exactly in this area, and then the market started this nice huge movement to the downside. And with this huge movement to the downside, we also broke this important trend line area over here, as you can see. And with the correction, so after an impulse, you also always want to see a correction. We tested the trend line area, and the price right now continue to move lower. As you can see, the monthly candle closed super bearish and then just started to move lower. Now what else is super nice is, if we are switching now to the weekly time frame, is that the market exactly retraced over here till this new resistance. So it was previous support, now turned resistance, and the market gave us pretty nice structure, to be honest. So it went lower, retested it, lower, retested again, but lower, okay, creating lower highs and lower lows. And right now we are creating a new lower low. And what we can expect right now on the DXY is simply the continuation to the downside. So this whole thing over here will look something like this. So you can view it then in this trend channel, and the market will bounce to the upside, to the downside, and so on. Okay, so we know it is super bearish, therefore we need to look for long opportunities on the other dollar pair. So this is super news for cryptos, for example, and also for gold. This is why gold is super bullish, as you can see over here. On the daily time frame, you can see we're still in this correctional channel, yes, and we may see now the price moving to the downside. Okay, this was one of the last analysis that I was sharing with you. So if we would have get here a nice price action confirmation, then I would have expected the price will push down lower. But as you can see, the price just broke through it, giving no sign of bearish momentum, and it just went to the upside. And this is why I made today on TradingView a new update, and I want to explain it to you right now more in detail, because I'm expecting that gold will hit the 3K in the next couple of months. So this is for me right now my long-term perspective. Now the thing is that this is the monthly impulse over here, and if we're measuring the retracement, we can see that the price perfectly retraced at the 0.5. Okay, so I'm going to show it right now to you. This is the impulse, and as you can see, exactly till the 0.5. Okay, this is where the market retraced. This is the 0.5 level, guys, and then the market started this nice impulsive movement to the upside. I was mentioning the level 1750. For me, this is a strong institutional level, a key level where, yeah, we can definitely expect gold to reach it, but it doesn't need to. Why? Because the market has provided us something new. In the first place, we got here still the support, okay, which is now resistance. So this is right now definitely an area of supply, also from a daily perspective, where we want to see the price moving more to the downside. So the first target is for me at this neckline area of this W formation. As you can see, this is a W formation, and we want to see right now at least a drop till this level. If we are going to manage to break this level, then I expect the continuation to the downside. Then we can see gold moving even deeper, and then we can expect that the price will hit this level. I also mentioned today that we may go even lower, so also 1700 is on target area, because it is at the 0.618 retracement in that specific area, but I do not believe that. So for me, more interesting is if the price will hit this level, then definitely I will look for some longing opportunities, but also over here at the neckline area, we got good probabilities that the market will return from here and continue with this nice trend continuation on gold with this big movement to the upside. So this is why I mentioned over here the W formation. This is how it works. We want to always enter the neckline area. This is exactly this one. Okay, so on gold, I'm super bullish. This is something what we can see on the DXY as well, but also on the DXY, what we can expect right now is this kind of retracement. Okay, we can definitely expect that the DXY will give us a push to the upside, because yeah, this is a strong impulse to the downside, and after impulse you always want to see at least a retracement. Okay, and I don't know how far, but we can still go a little bit higher. Then maybe again something like this is definitely possible, guys. Okay, because have a look on the weekly. On the weekly you can see we're bearish since this level over here. So yeah, definitely room to the upside, and therefore also room to the upside for gold. So therefore gold could easily drop down. The same thing we can see on EURUSD. Now, to be honest, EURUSD is a little bit complicated for me. I told you in the last couple of analysis that yeah, we had this W formation over here, and we got this impulse, and after impulse you always want to see at least a retracement till the 0.32. Now the market never gave it this opportunity to us, so they didn't have the liquidity to close their position, which is not a problem for us, because we need simply to adapt to this whole thing. But for me right now, definitely very difficult to look right now for shorts, because we're very high, but the market shows actually no weakness. Look on the weekly, everything bullish. But at the moment where we're going to close as bearish candle on the weekly time frame, then we can expect at least a retracement. Then we can, for example, trade the retracement and afterwards the continuation to the upside. So I definitely recommend you to trade the trend, and the trend is absolutely bullish. Okay. Yeah, what else can we see? Yeah, maybe if we're going to test this area again, then we may look for a long opportunity. So this is something which we can do. The price will drop down from this level over here to the downside to look for a possibility like this. Okay, something which we can definitely look for. Okay, but as I told you, exactly like on gold, if gold will drop down, also EURUSD will drop down, and yeah, you can look better for gold right now for a short opportunity, because you got the structure level. On EURUSD you don't have nothing actually, not even the key level are touched. No, so for me simply no trading right now. Maybe on the weekly can we identify something? Let's see. Nah, nothing. Sorry guys, so for me right now, no possibilities. I'm not trading EURUSD right now, only if we're going to get some retracement to the downside in order to take a long opportunity, for example. This is what I would like to see, but no trading for me right now. I will look for taking longs on EURUSD, but right now the possibility is not given. Okay guys, GBPUSD, big manipulation within this pair the last couple of days, and I'm going to explain it to you right now. Okay, Where should I start? Yeah, well, we're going to start off over here. But in the first place, always analyze the monthly time frame, because if you know the overall direction on the monthly time frame, then you cannot be trapped by the smart money traders, because you know exactly the direction where you want to see GBPUSD moving. Okay, so we got here resistance, and we got over here support and demand. And I told you over and over again, we got over here W formation. Okay, W formation consists of this impulse correction. W formation works like that. You got the W impulse, then you want to see correction, and afterwards you want to see the continuation to the upside. So W formation is actually a bullish pattern. Okay, if you want to trade this, it is bullish. If you want to trade the correction, it is bearish. And yeah, if you identify it over here, then it is again bullish. So you got three options how to trade the W formation. And right now the thing is that the W formation looks like that. Wait, the W formation looks right now like that. Okay, we're over here. Maybe the price will fail to go higher. It is a possibility, and therefore it will create an M formation. And then you want to see something like this. Okay, maybe you are going to create here an M formation. This is also a possibility with this with this W formation. Okay, guys. So do not forget about this option. Okay, now. Okay, sorry, I'm just looking at GBPUSD and I'm just noticing that it is creating big moves to the upside. Okay, this is for me right now, for example, a nice trading opportunity, because I want to see the GBPUSD moving more to the downside. And as you can see right now, it is trapping right now. This is manipulation live, guys. Live manipulation, okay? I closed my positions right now today. You can see it in the Telegram channel. I closed some positions around the level 133 exactly, and right now I'm entering shorts. Okay, this is right now simply just manipulation, just to grab some more liquidity. So wow, I'm really happy right now to grab something like this. Okay, really crazy, guys. Here you can really feel how manipulation works right now. Look at this. This is simply just manipulation, just to grab from all the peoples who are taking shorts. Because just have a look right now. What do you see on GBPUSD? You just see shorts, right? If this candle over here right now will close as a bearish one, then you want to see the market is filling in the wick, okay? You want to see fill in the wick pattern. If it will close as bullish, then it means that the market is respecting this area of support over here, okay? So I'm doing right now a quick analysis, because I also want to monitorize a little bit the price action right now, in order to, yeah, do not get trapped by myself, because I want to see if the market will respect everything. But right now for me it looks like that. You got resistance, support. Where at support is always an area where the market will push to the upside, okay? But if you have a look on the 4 hours, what you see is that the market is super aggressively dropping to the downside, okay? Impulsive correction, impulsive, okay? But if the market will fail to go lower, it will provide us a W formation. Then you expect the continuation to the upside, okay? This is the thing right now, guys. This is the thing what we can see right now on GBPUSD. And this is why right now they are moving the price extremely to the upside, because it is right now so much liquidity given over here. There's so many liquidity. The big players right now are just trapping us, okay? But if you are smart and you know, okay, our direction right now is short because of we are at monthly resistance. Okay, here is monthly resistance. So we want to see right now at least a retracement. Okay, we want to see a retracement to the downside. And I want to see a retracement till level 131. This is where I want to see the market is moving to the downside. Why do I want to see like this? Very simple. It is because on the weekly you got an impulse, okay? And if we want to measure the impulse, we want to see at least a retracement till the 0.32, okay? But the 0.618 is the one which is aligned perfectly with the structure. As you can see over here, this is even an historical level, okay? So this looks the best right now. So the probabilities that the price will push now that low to hit this level are super high. This is why I do expect that GBPUSD will give us this sharp move till this level before the price will continue to move up higher. Okay, pretty easy. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay. And yeah, I'm super happy right now that I can demonstrate you a manipulation live, because yeah, this was nothing that I planned, to be honest, but it happened. Okay, so pretty nice. And yeah, you already know how I entered right now. Okay, I just entered because I got area of supply over here. Okay, and I definitely expected the price will respect this area, and I expect that the price will continue to move lower. Okay, because you got drop, retest, continuation to the downside. Now I want to see the price hitting the next level. Okay, maybe the 0.382 retracement right now is the next target. Let's see how much we're going to drop. Okay, it's super interesting right now to see how the market will develop right now. Okay, so this is just for you right now, nice example of manipulation. Okay, then let's have a look on Bitcoin. Well, on Bitcoin, guys, what I do expect on Bitcoin is a nice drop, to be honest. Okay, right now it still looks like we're going to move up higher, but the probabilities that we're going to move lower are still given. Okay, so if you're looking right now to invest in Bitcoin, then I definitely don't recommend it to you to do it now, because the prices are still too high. And yeah, we have right now still the possibility that we're going to drop lower. I got this important key level where then I'm definitely looking for some buying opportunities. But to be honest, I don't want to short Bitcoin. I just want to take longs if the price will came to the downside. Okay, so this is just for you investors to give a little bit more of an insight about, yeah, where is Bitcoin right now? What is it doing right now? How can I, yeah, take advantage of it? XRP, guys, man, this is for me the best cryptocurrency out there, guys. To be honest, this is the best one because it is providing us the best opportunities, and I do expect that XRP will give us a sharp move to $2 the next couple of weeks. We can feel right now this wonderful triangle pattern over here. I still expect that XRP will pump up in 3 pumps that I got over here. So pump number 1, 2, and 3. Pump number 1 will bring us to $2, the second one to $12, and the last one between $30 and $40. Okay, so this is what I definitely expect for XRP. And right now, what we can see is that the market gave us a nice impulse to the upside, testing this 50-cent level over here. And since then, the market is in its accumulation phase, preparing to collect some more orders for the next huge movement to the upside. Okay, guys, that was my analysis for today. This was my today's YouTube video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you can take advantage of the new knowledge over here that you found in this video. And yeah, just write down in the comment section down below what you think about it. And yeah, we're going to see that next time with a new video, guys. Bye bye.